everyone, I am Dr. Prachi Binara, consultant at Birla Fertility and IVF. I've been trained from BJMC Medical College, Ahmedabad, and I've done my fertility training from University of South Wales and University of Oxford, UK. So to introduce you to Birla Fertility, here at Birla Fertility, we strive hard to provide clinically reliable and compassionate care to our patients. We also specialize in making tailor-made treatment protocols to provide best success rate. So let's start discussing today's topic, which is what is blastocyst transfer. So blastocyst transfer को समझने के लिए पहले ये समझते हैं कि फर्टिलाइजेशन के बाद क्या डेवलपमेंट होता है और कब भ्रूण ब्लास्टोसिस्ट स्टेज पे पहुंचता है. सो इन अ फीमेल बॉडी egg and sperm combine in fallopian tube, a part called ampulla. Ampulla के अंदर egg और sperm का genetic material combine करता है और इस चीज को fertilization बोलते हैं. ये fertilized baby ट्यूब में स्टे करता है for 3 to 4 days and after that it rolls down in the uterine cavity on day 5 or day 6 when it gets implanted in the uterine cavity. अब समझते हैं IVF में क्या होता है. IVF में औरत के शरीर से अंडे निकालने के बाद हम आदमी के शुक्राणु लेके अंडा और शुक्राणु को आपस में फ्यूज करते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड डे 0 ऑफ embryo. Next day we check for fertilization. That is, we check whether the genetic material of the egg has combined with the genetic material of the sperm. This is called day 1 of the embryo. Now this embryo is grown inside the incubator from day 1 to maximum day 5, day 6, which is called blastocyst. Inside the incubator, जो इंक्यूबेटर के अंदर का टेम्परेचर है, pH है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं, इन सभी का लेवल इज सिमिलर टू द लेवल इनसाइड द फैलोपियन ट्यूब. डे 3 पे पहुंचने पर ये जो एम्ब्रियो है उसमें 8 सेल्स होते हैं. देन व्हेन वी ग्रो दिस एम्ब्रियो फॉर 2 more days, it is called day 5 embryo or a blastocyst. अब आगे समझते हैं कि ब्लास्टोसिस्ट ट्रांसफर के एडवांटेजेस क्या हैं. Now blastocyst transfer, as we understand from what we learned a little earlier, the blastocyst baby has proved its potential in past 4-5 days. So if we compare a day 3 transfer with a blastocyst transfer, the blastocyst embryo was able to survive in the lab for 5 days as compared to 3 days for a day 3 embryo transfer. That's why the pregnancy giving potential of a blast is higher than day 3 embryo. If a day 3 embryo has a pregnancy giving potential of 20-25%, the blastocyst will have a pregnancy giving potential of 35-40%. That's why if you have a higher number of embryos, supposingly on day 3 you have 3 or more number of embryos, it is always a good idea to culture these embryos till blastocyst so that natural selection of the best baby can happen inside the lab, and then we can transfer that embryo which has maximum pregnancy giving potential. By doing a blastocyst transfer, we can also reduce the number of मल्टीपल प्रेगनेंसी. एक ड्रॉबैक जो ब्लास्टोसिस्ट ट्रांसफर का होता है वो ये है कि कभी-कभी जो तीसरे दिन के एम्ब्रियोज हैं लैब में कल्चर करने के बाद ब्लास्टोसिस्ट तक नहीं पहुंच पाते. So in the end, I would like to tell you that always aim for a blastocyst transfer, especially when you have more than 2 embryos on day 3. In the end, whether to do a day 3 or a day 5 transfer should be discussed with your treating consultant, the embryologist, and obviously both the partners, and the decision to take day 3 or day 5 transfer should be decided. For any comments or queries, feel very free to mention in the comment box. Thank you. you.